Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Cricut mystery box day, and you will be getting some of my very favorite things in this box, which is adhesive foil and glitter. If at any time you would like to shop this box, you can find the link in the description box below, and shopping with this link does support this channel. These are a limited quantity box, so they will sell out, so be sure to grab yours. With this box, you're going to be getting 2 rolls of glitter adhesive vinyl. So with this first one, it is a 12 by 48 inch roll, and you do get the strong grip transfer tape that is paired perfectly with this vinyl. The next roll of glitter vinyl you're going to be getting is also adhesive, and it is a sampler pack. So you're going to get the gold with it, this beautiful silver. You also get this beautiful dark glitter. You get a pink, a purple, and you also get a teal. So with that sampler pack, you do get 6 sheets of 12 by 12, and it also comes with the extra strong transfer tape. The next 4 rolls of vinyl that you're going to be getting are adhesive foil, and if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with the adhesive foil collection. One of the rolls that you get are 5 12 by 12 sheets of the adhesive foil in matte, gunmetal, gold, champagne, bronze, and silver. It's adhesive matte foil. The next roll that you're going to be getting is a 5 sheets of 12 by 12 in matte teal, coral pink, dark silver, and pink champagne. So this reminds me of like mermaids. I love this adhesive foil sampler. And then comes the shiny stuff, the foil that I absolutely love and is my favorite product to use. You're going to get 1 roll in 12 by 48 inches of adhesive foil in red coral, and then you get 12 by 48 adhesive foil in copper. And let me open this up to show you why I love foil so much. Just take a look at how shiny and beautiful this is. You can see your reflection in it, and it is my absolute favorite product to work with that Cricut offers. But what's fun about this pack is you're also going to get 6 pre-made IronOn Designs. You don't have to cut or weed, they're ready to be pressed onto your material. So these are the smaller ones that you're going to get, and these will be perfect for a baby onesie. This one says, "Let's sleep in." This one says, "I need a nap," which is also appropriate for us moms, and then just sleep. And these are so cute. And for the next design, it's a love design. It's a shape of a heart, and it is so cute. And these can go on pillows, pillowcases, totes. You don't have to stick these just on t-shirts, but they definitely will go on t-shirt material as well. You also get this beautiful floral mandala, and these are ready to go and ready to press. They come on the carrier sheet, and you're just going to place it onto your product, and you can use your Cricut Easy Press or your iron to press onto your fabric. And I love these because these are good for a craft night with the girls or with the family, or just something that you don't have time to cut and weed, and you can place it on and you're ready to go. The very last one that is my absolute favorite is this Love You More with a floral pattern. This may be something that you have not thought to purchase for yourself, but that's why I love these Cricut mystery boxes so much, because they come with products that you may not think to buy for yourself, but you invest in this mystery box and you get these awesome collection of things that you are ready to use. So if you would like to check the description box below or the comments section, you will find the link for this mystery box. It is a retail value at just under $100, but you can get this box for $29.99. If you are a Cricut Access member, you automatically get 10% off your purchase. If you add a few items to your cart to make your purchase $50 or more, you can use the code HolliCrafts to get an additional 10% off your order and free shipping. So be sure to grab your box, leave me a comment below if you get one, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell for notifications on when these mystery boxes are released. You will be the very first to know. So enjoy your foil and your glitter and your iron-on sheets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks guys.